Yes, yes.
Amazing. So, what is that 5 day class about, and what do you do in that class, and what actually makes people to like get to the next level?
Okay. So the first day is more about the history of the tarot, where the tarot has come from, what is the history, so people understand that okay, it's a science, and not just randomly somebody put picking a rabbit from a hat. No, it's not that. Okay. Then on the second day, I make which is actually a game changer. Is I make them to live tarot card reading without having tarot cards themselves. I basically give them case studies and with slides and all, and they read it, and then they realize, wow, it is super easy.
Mm-hmm.
It is super easy, and then so that 50% of my sales only happen on the second day itself. The third day is more on what attitude and what personality and what the inner fear you have to become a tarot card reader, and how to remove that fear. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
On the fourth day, so a lot of people feel that, oh, I will become a tarot card reader, but who will come to consult me?
Mm-hmm.
Then I teach them that how I have built my funnel from 0 followers to 53,000 followers today. And then I teach them. What changes them is that I make them do a live exercise where I make them shoot a video,
Mm-hmm.
like a 30-second, 45-second video introducing themselves as a tarot card reader. And then they feel, wow, if I can do this, and then that's what half of YouTubers are doing, they can get those people.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, that all the day 4 is about breaking their fears and making them like a ultimate warrior. That now I just need to. So then on the fifth day, I tell them that okay, if you now understood that at say for 299 or 499, I am giving you this much. You can well imagine that if you come to my mastery course, what will you get?
Amazing.
So that 4 day is more on rapport building, trust building, so that when on day 5, when I come with the offer, I don't have to tell them to pay. They are asking, tell me a bank account, sir. I will pay you right now.
Amazing. So can you also say like amazing to Naval because he has done a wonderful job. Okay, from someone who was struggling to market himself, the tarot card reading itself, right? Now he has become a marketer who is helping others to become tarot card consultant. And tell us, okay, so what are the things like? What are some minute things that change inside you? You said about the books you read, but what are the things like? What are the what is the real transformation happened you inside you that made you to marketer? Yeah.
So one of the things which I started after coming from Gopal's course was writing. Was writing in the Gopal's MROC program. He gives you a template which is called ASAP hour, which is called as skilled as possible, as soon as possible. Okay, so it's something like a ready-made dish where Gopal's already super hit templates he's giving you. You just have to substitute your name and something like that, your experience, and put it on your social media. So then what people see, okay, this guy is not somebody who's just copying pasting.
Mm-hmm.
He's somebody who's writing his heart out.
Mm-hmm.
So then people connect emotionally. Then people say, oh my God, this guy just like me only. Okay, let's go to his class. So people connect. It's more like more of the heart connection. Where I go, if I can say in Hindi, ये तो मेरे जैसा ही है, right? So then people and most of my majority crowd are women.
Okay. Okay.
Between 25 to 45. So I think I have some skills in getting them smile and getting them laugh and getting them emotionally hooked, which I've done from you and attending your mastermind session and from the books. So it's like that. So when I started writing, people started asking me that you become like a Shakespeare. I said no. If you want to become a Shakespeare, just go to Gopal's class and he will make you a Shakespeare. So it is as
yeah, just reading and writing, right? These two activities has made you into a marketer in the last 4 months. Amazing. Let me ask you a question to anyone. Okay, how many? Okay, as a coach, right? How many marketing books you have read? Type 0 in the comment section if you have never read any books. Okay, or even one or two, right? Whatever you okay. Anyone here is feeling the pinch, okay, that you have not read, okay, number of books, okay, and how many articles you have written, how many articles you have written in the written in your, okay, which is 200 words or more, okay, in your Facebook profile, etc. How many articles? These two things, right, is what actually makes you into a marketer. Amazing. All right, okay. So all right, okay, yeah, now, okay. What is the revenue that you have made? Have you exceeded 10 lakhs with your courses so far? And what is the number of sales you make every single week for your WhatsApp class on the next level? Yeah.
So on an average, I've been getting about 40, 45, 40 people on an average each class. Okay, out of them, about 25 people come in the webinar, 25 people come in the webinar, and on an average, I've been clocking about 12 to 14 people each webinar. Yeah. So and my course and my mastery course, it was so my mastery course right now is 9,999. It was 6,999 2 3 months 3 weeks back, but now 9,999. And even in I thought that I'm raising my price. Will I clock more? Will I clock more? But then my last week, there were only 18 people, and 11 people bought the course.
Wow. Okay.
At $10,000. Okay. So on an average, I'm making about ₹1 lakh per week.
Amazing. So that is Naval for you, right? From someone that is what he has done. Any questions for Naval? You can ask them right now, and he'll be answering them. Okay, got inspired, guys. Type inspired if you have been inspired by Naval. Okay, from a non-marketer, non-techie to someone who is now clocking 1 lakh per week, right? Okay, ad spend every week because okay, how much do you spend on ads?
So on an average, my monthly spend on ad is roughly about say about 30 grand.
30 grand, and that means a single week, right? You are spending 7,500 rupees, and how much you're getting back every week?
Almost about ₹1 lakh.
Okay, so he's investing 7,500 rupees in ads, and he's getting more than 1 lakh in profits. Okay, that is his net profit. Okay, every week he's making 1 lakh in net profits. Okay, after all the expenses, right? He's making that. Okay, every week. So it is not even required for you to get hundreds of leads, right? You just need to get 25 people for this, no organic leads. He was initially getting organic leads. Yeah, you can go ahead now. Yeah.
Initially, there were organic leads, but what happens with organic leads is that they take a lot of time because they are more only free leads. So they take time. Okay, let me see this boy. Let me attend 5, 6 more sessions, and that trust is building. But when people pay, they are already sold to the idea that okay, I'm going to learn something. So then those are very, very high quality buyers. They're very, very high quality buyers. So organic is good. I do a lot of Facebook Live because Gopal has told me, so I've been doing a lot of Facebook Live. I've been getting organic, but if you really want to go the extra mile, Facebook ads is the way. And Gopal teaches the Facebook ads in a really brilliantly way. Right?
Okay. So thanks, Naval, for your time. I think we are running short for your time as well. You have to go at 6:30. So, okay, we will come back. But Naval has been doing zero cost Facebook ads. Okay. So your ad cost is zero, right? Okay, whatever money you spend, right, it is getting back from the ads. Right? Anyone here want to know this zero cost Facebook ads of okay? You'll be getting all the numbers and all the details on next week. Next week on Monday you'll be getting everything. Anyone here want to know the zero cost Facebook ads? Stay on on Friday. You're going to see a session from me. There'll be no recording because I'm going to share Naval's sensitive data as well. Okay, I'm going to share everything about Naval. So please make it on Friday live 6 p.m. because there is no recordings or replays. So be there, and I'm going to reveal this zero cost Facebook ads. All right. So thanks, Naval. Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you, guys. God bless. Have fun, guys. And keep learning. Thank you, guys. God bless.
All right. Okay. Thanks to Naval. Bye bye.
Thank you, Gopal. Thank you to Gopal and your team. Thank you very much.
Sure. So now we're going to come into the this one, this webinar. So let me just dive into this class, guys, so that you guys can so now I'm going to tell you the everyone, right? Please download that schedule and keep it in your WhatsApp profile pic, so that you know that you're going to attend, right? So can you all type download if you're going to download the picture I have given to you on Telegram, and I'm going to make sure that you attend, because I want you to see that picture, because that picture will tell you exactly what is happening on what day, and because that picture will let you know what is assignment, etc. And I want you to do this, and I'm going to hold you accountable. I'm going to hold you accountable. It is in this link, So it is in the Telegram group, It's in the Telegram group, and you can use that and get that. So without further delay, I'm going to start today's class. So welcome to episode 1. Episode 1 of this binge marketing. So able to see my screen that says binge marketing class, everyone. So please you can contact so let us say who is that here. Harsha here. You can type and you can put your phone number to Harsha, and Harsha will be able to give it to you, Ajay. So ping your number to Ajay, and Harsha will let you know the details of how to be added on. Anyone who has not done it, right, please send a message by choosing all panelists, all right, and we'll be able to do that. Harsha, can you also upload it on a site and give the download link to people as well, so that people can get that, But you're not from Telegram, guys, and you should be able to do it, immediately, right? So make sure that you have it by your side so that you can do it. So we have 112 participants we started today, right? Binge marketing class: how to get 25 to 30 online course sales every week without doing high pressure webinars. At the end of this class, right, you'll learn exactly how to do this using both organic free traffic as well as paid traffic. So today you're going to see the overview. Today is episode 1, and you're going to see the overview. All right. So today is the overview. So what do you think is the fastest way to create the greatest course in the world? What do you think is the fastest way, guys? What do you think is the fastest way to actually do this, right? The recording will be available till Friday, till Friday 7:30 p.m. available, so don't worry about that, But attend this live, IPL is best watched live, so if you don't attend live, right, you won't get the full experience, and every single mindset shift, right, that is what is the key here, So what is the fastest way to create the greatest course in the world? Find out the greatest course in the world. I will give you the example. Find out the greatest course in the world and make it simpler, faster, and customized to your audience. So I actually get through my own experience of investing more than 70 lakhs on myself. Anyone here think this is crazy? Investing 70 lakhs in yourself? Type crazy if you think that. This person you were seeing before, you right? I have invested 72 lakhs on myself. And why? Because I found out very, very early in my life that all success comes. All success comes when you choose the world's #1 mentor. When you choose the world's #1 mentor and be the #1 student, what will happen? Let me ask you another question, right? If you want to become the world's best magician or world's #1 magician, what is that you have to do? You have to choose the world's #1 magician and study under that person for 6 months, and you'll automatically become the world's #1 magician. Agree to this? So I have my mentor's autobiography. I have my mentor's autobiography here, which says "My Unfinished Business." So what do you think will happen to someone who studies the world's #1 marketing mentor's autobiography and does everything he says in this book? What do you think will happen to that person? Someone who is religiously doing this every single minute, every single second, every single hour. So what I have done here, okay, I am studying under the world's #1 marketing mentor. Okay, I have read all his books. I have gone through most of his programs. Literally, I have modeled him, okay, for the past 7 years. Okay? And Ari Golper he's the world's #1 marketing expert because his books and magazines are read by more people than anyone else on the planet. And Ari Golper is world's #1 sales expert. Glenn Dietzel is the world's #1 personal branding expert. And Frank Kern is the world's #1 launch expert. Okay? And all these people, right, or Ryan Lewis from Ask Method, Ryan Dias from, he's another popular marketer, Russell Brunson, Todd Brown. Have you guys seen any of these guys? Okay? Any of these people online? Okay? If you want to learn anything in marketing, have you seen this guy? Okay? All these mentors, okay? All these mentors is working through me right now. Okay, whatever I am doing right now, I don't think everything is mine. Okay? Yes, I have a lot of my own content, but most of them are inspired. Okay, and I just think that I'm grateful for all these mentors because I do think that they're acting through me because I have created, because of their blessings, the world's fastest, simplest, easiest, and the last method you need to have for you to launch your own online course. Okay, this will be the last method. Okay, and that is my promise, and that is why I'm saying there are no course creators out there. Okay, if someone is say I have created a original course, then that person lying. Okay, there are no course creators out there. There are only course curators. Type curator if you agree that there are no course creators out there. There are only course curators. Every person, right? Every person whom you're seeing very high, right? In your own life coaching or whatever coaching you are. Okay. There are only course curators and not course creators. Okay. You have to curate. Okay. For example, curation is where you curate information. For example, let us say you have your own knowledge about backache or back pain. Okay. You have your own knowledge about treating back pain. Okay. Let me ask you, whether you just need to teach that knowledge or you need to learn the world's latest methods, the world's fastest methods, and then you combine your experience with those methods and then create your own method. Which is better? Just to share your own knowledge or to combine all the course curation by curating all the back pain treatments across the world and amalgamating it and mixing it like a DJ, okay? like a Naval Bandia, right? Like, which is the best? Okay? Just sharing your knowledge or combining everything. Okay, that is curation. Now type curator if you understand this, okay? Or curating. It is called curating, right? Where you curate all the information out there and then you add your own experience. You go through your own experiences and then do it. Okay, it is called curating. Okay, got it? Okay, so your own knowledge is very limited. Okay, your knowledge is very limited, right? So people want the best curated information which can help them achieve something faster, which can help something simpler, easier. All right. So, and now I'm coming to the next mindset. Okay, how to beat competition. Anyone here feels okay? There is so much competition out there. Okay, when I open my newsfeed, there are so many there are so many ads about the WhatsApp class. Okay, I have my 5-day WhatsApp class. I have this WhatsApp class. I have this webinar. Have you guys seen all these ads? Okay, I want to confess. Okay, I am the culprit. Okay? I am the culprit who has made so many people to launch their WhatsApp classes. I'm the designated culprit for that. Okay, so do you guys feel when you see all these WhatsApp classes and all those stuff? Do you feel that how can I compete against all these people? Okay, and how can I compete against people like Rich Dad Poor Dad? How can I compete with people like IM graduates? Okay? How can I ever? Okay? I don't think I have the expertise, or I don't have the qualification. I don't have the certification. I don't have all this stuff. Why would people actually come and learn from me? Okay? Anyone here have a doubt like that? Okay, so how can I beat all these people? Do you want me to reveal the truth to you? Okay, do you want me to reveal the truth to you? Okay, there is no competition. Okay, there is no competition. Okay, let me tell you why. Okay. Okay, so who will someone purchase? Okay, let us say you are a working professional who speak the language of Telugu. Will you buy from Rich Dad Poor Dad Robert Kiyosaki, an IM graduate, or will you buy from Vasu, a Telugu speaking financial mentor? Type Vasu if you will buy from Vasu and not Rich Dad Poor Dad or IM. Okay, I want you to type Vasu. Okay, his name is Vasu. Okay, so will you buy if you are a Telugu speaking working professional? Would you buy from a Robert Kiyosaki, IM graduate, or a Vasu? Okay, type Vasu if you want to buy from. If you will buy from Vasu. So, what do you think that makes people to buy from Vasu instead of much better people like Robert Kiyosaki or IM Ahmedabad? Why do you? Okay, only go for Vasu if I'm not comfortable. Yes, that's the crowd we are going after. Okay? More relatable connection. Okay, Krishna, you have got it right. Okay, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so this is what I call as theory of marketing relativity. Okay, it's called a theory of marketing relativity. People will only buy from those people whom they can relate the most. A Telugu speaking working professional will be able to relate more to Vasu than he would be able to do with Robert Kiyosaki or IM Ahmedabad. Because there's a connect. Okay, let me ask you. Okay, if you want to open a restaurant business in your own city, whom will you get advice from? Will you go and get advice from Shark Tank in US, or will you read some IM book, or you will choose someone who has opened a restaurant in the local area and has already got it successful? Type local. Okay, type local in the comment section. Okay, it is all about solving a problem and being one step ahead of your customers. Okay, people want to learn that. Okay, how to start a jewelry business, how to start a restaurant business, how to start a tarot business, how to start a. Okay, people want to know something from someone who is above them and whom it is relatable. Okay, you can literally launch so many courses. Right, one of my students is in West Bengal, and he is teaching people how to speak English only for Bengali people. Let me ask you, okay, and okay, here you can see that he has made 40 lakhs in revenue with this Facebook ad. Okay, and he has not done any blogging, any okay, just one Facebook ad that actually leads to a WhatsApp class. The number one money secret rich people don't want you to know, right? 40 lakhs in revenue with a single Facebook ad that leads to a. Okay, his everything is in Telugu. His video, his ad text, his class, everything is in Telugu, and that's the reason he is able to generate that much revenue in a single year. And he has tried so many things before, right? He tried blogging, YouTube videos, he tried so much stuff, but nothing worked in his favor until he did this. And that is what I call as the theory of marketing relativity, right? Right now, I'm doing this class with you. Okay? Right now, I'm doing this class with you, and you have seen my ad and actually chose me, okay? And you came into my class. Okay, did you guys go and check out? Okay, check out all my competition. Okay, what is the competition that this Gopal has? Okay, I will just find out every one single one of them, and then I will choose Gopal, or you just bought from that ad alone. Okay, you just looked into that ad, you liked it, and you bought it. And the same thing will happen. Okay, the same thing will happen in this class as well. Okay, if you are able to connect with my ad, connect with my classes, you will be buying. Okay? Let me tell you, there are so many people who are trying to do this in my space. Okay, they all create ads, they all tell do these classes. Okay, but why people buy from me is because people connect with my stories, people relate with my stories, and people are able to connect with me, and they come to my program and then tell on my WhatsApp class. Okay, and these stories, okay, some competitors creating some new classes, some new methods, some etc. Every single minute, my competitors are competing against me. Okay, but what they cannot compete with my stories. Okay, here you can able to see, right? Vasu was able to compete with all those people. Ad is relatable. Stories create movements. Stories create difference. Okay, it is not about what you do. Okay, it is about your stories. Type stories in the comment section if you have understood that. Okay, stories makes all the difference. Okay, as a marketer, you need to learn how to tell those stories. How to tell those stories that will make all the difference, so that people are able to relate to you. Okay, have you guys read this book Story Triangle? I have given to you as a part of this, right? Have you guys read this book Story Triangle? Okay, I have given it to you for free as part of my class. Okay, go to pre-class video. Okay, anyone here have watched my 30-minute video? 30-minute video, the pre-class video. It actually like okay, yeah, seen the video, right? It is a great video about stories. Okay, there are only 3 stories. Throughout this class, I'll be talking about 3 stories, and those 3 stories makes all the difference, guys. Okay, you just need to learn how to create those 3 stories and make your prospects relate to you. Okay, please go and read the ebook and watch the video if not done that. Okay, it is pretty important if I do that, Saurin. All right. Okay, every one of you, please go and commit to that particular task, because stories are the only education, right? Marketing is all about stories. So the only education you need to learn is stories. So if you don't master stories, right, then nothing is going to happen. So just go and get that knowledge from that particular video and book, and make sure that you do it, right? Now I'm coming to the ASAP rule. Okay, the ASAP rule. What is ASAP, guys? Okay, type. Okay, what do you mean by ASAP? Okay, what is the full form of ASAP? Any answers? Please go ahead. Okay, as soon as possible. Okay, I'm going to give you a new rule. Okay, new explanation for ASAP. Okay, the only difference between success and failure in hitting your business goals. Okay, it is this. It is what I call as skilled as possible, as soon as possible. Okay, let us say you are at 1 lakh per month and you want to make 2 lakhs per month. Now, anyone here agree to the, until you get the mindset, strategy, skills, and tools of the person who is already making 2 lakhs per month, you are never going to hit that target. Okay, you are never going to hit the target of 2 lakhs per month until you have the same mindset, strategies, skills, and tools of that person who is making that. Now, let us say somehow you acquire the skills of being 2 lakhs per month. From the month of December, you can do that. Now, from the month of December, January, and February, instead of making 1 lakh per month, you can now make 2 lakhs per month. For every single month, you are not earning that much. How much money are you losing every single month? You are making an extra 1 lakh per month. That is why I'm saying it is not just about the skill. It is about how soon you acquire it. How soon you acquire it will determine how fast you can make your income targets. Okay, people dream. Okay, so I have to make this much money. Okay, but they don't follow this rule, and that is why I am committing to this rule, which is called as skilled as possible, as soon as possible. Okay, let me tell you guys. Okay, what do you call that person? Okay, who always takes decisions based on where he is right now and not where he wants to become. Okay, so what do you call that person, right, who is taking all the decisions based on who is he right now and how much he is earning right now, and not based on whom you want to become and how much he has to earn. Okay, they are called frauds. Okay, because you're cheating the person whom you want to become. Okay, people ask me, why did I invest 70 lakhs in myself? Okay, because very, very early in my life, I learned about this rule, which is called the ASAP rule, right? So when you actually acquire the skill, of marketing, when you acquire the skill of learning how to communicate your true value, that returns multifold. Okay, that is why my name has changed. My name is called ASAP Gopal. Okay, and I want you to type ASAP followed by your name, so that you are going to commit to this rule from today onwards. Okay, I want to type this because this is the truth here, guys. Okay, some people ask me, why are you not diving into my stuff? Just give me the template. Okay, just give me the template and I will just go and launch my course. Okay, believe me, without all these mindset and strategy, you launch a course, but you'll never scale it. Okay, and I'm going to focus 80% on mindset. Okay, everyone has said that. Okay, in this program, the best thing I have acquired is mindset. Okay, because mindset is 80%. and strategy is 20%. If you are someone, okay, please give me the template, the launch, right? Then type mindset in the comment section. We're okay with me talking about mindset for 80%, because it is about that game. The game is about mindset. If you win 80%, you're going to like win. The remaining 20% is jujupi. All right, okay. So because someone will tell me, okay, so how to do this, okay. But believe me, I have not just helped people to launch, okay. I have helped so many people to scale to 10 lakhs, 1 crore in revenue. Do you want to guys to just launch a class, or you really want to take it to like 10 lakhs or 1 crore, right? If you really want that, then the mindset is very important. If you want me to just teach template, right? Like, okay, this is a template, please launch, you will get sales. Okay, but that is not how it is done, and that is not how you get value from this class. Okay, yes, of course I can give it to you. Okay, this is the template. Please go and launch. You will launch. Okay, but again, nothing will work. Okay, after that, right? This is so important. Okay? Mindset is everything. Okay, that is why I'm going to dive deeper. And people told that for every single mindset block I had, Gopal had an answer. All your mindset blocks will be unblocked at the end of 5 days. Do you want that? Okay, please stick to this for life, okay? Because all your mindset blocks will be unblocked, okay, at the end of 5 days. Okay, that's something I can guarantee. Okay, because those mindset blocks disturb you more than the strategy itself. Okay, am I ready? Am I ready? Am I ready? Okay, that is what you actually do. Okay, so that is important, guys. Okay, so why this person is teaching stuff, right? What was he doing before? I am the person who is who was doing webinars for 3 years. Okay, you can see, right? 2017, I launched my first webinar, and people loved the webinar. Okay, but why would someone who was doing webinars stop it and do something else? Do you want to know? Okay. I was not able to tolerate it. Okay. So all innovation comes because of intolerance. Anyone here? This all innovation comes because you are not able to tolerate it anymore. Okay, so here, okay. I hated high pressure sales, right? Every single week I will do webinars and people will come, okay? But at the end, I will ask them to like purchase. Something didn't feel right, okay? I hated that part when I have to force people to buy in a very minimum time. That was hard, okay? Anyone here have done webinars and failed, okay? Oh God, this is so hard. Bringing people to come to webinar and making them listen, okay? Make them get excited within that 45 minutes, right? It is just so hard. Type hard in the comment section if you are felt that, okay? I can feel it, says Divya, all right, okay? Type hard if you agree to the site. Making people to come to webinars and all those stuff is so hard, okay? And unpredictable attendance, unpredictable sales, okay? See, we have got 140 people, okay, into our group, okay? And 112 people are here. Why? Okay, why is that an attendance for binge marketing class is much higher than an average webinar? Okay, and why do you think it also gets higher conversions? Okay, it is because people spend time. Okay, people spend energy. Okay, here you have spent some money. You are also going to spend time. Okay, and because of these two things, right? Highest energy wins. Okay, highest energy wins. Wherever there is the highest energy, that will win. Okay. This is working because you invested some time and you invested some money as well, right? Let me ask you, right? Webinar is basically free and there is no commitment. Here, you are spending money as well as time for 7 hours, right? That is the reason for higher conversions. So here, also there is a very big problem, guys. Okay? The completed course. The completed course, the secret to creating impact. Okay, here in this book, right, he says 97% of all online courses are never completed. Has anyone bought some courses and is collecting dust in a digital shelf like this? Okay, where you guys have not even begin that first week. Okay? You paid 1,000 rupees, $97, and all these Udemy courses, but not even a single video watched. Have you guys done that? Okay, what I have seen here is, right, it is a complete, okay, it's a complete lose. It's a lose for prospects, it's a lose for sellers, and it's a lose for the whole course creation industry. Okay, because prospects are feeling the pressure for buying immediately, and people who are selling, right, they feel the pressure, and it's a lose for the whole course creation industry. because only 3% complete the program. After selling and buying, still 3% complete. Is that healthy? Is that healthy? No. And do you want to get a win-win-win, guys? Type www if you want a win-win-win. Which I found out, which is called binge marketing, right? Anyone here felt that these webinars and strategy calls are not fun anymore? So I'm tired of doing this one-to-one. I'm tired of doing this chasing. I'm tired of doing this webinars. If you're tired of this, I'm going to give you the win-win-win model. Or you're an expert who just want to deliver value. You just feel that if only people can see my value, they will buy from me. If I'm able to create value for them and they will see my value, they will never go to someone else. If they're able to connect with me, if they're able to relate with me, then they will never go to someone else. If you are someone like that, and believe me, most experts out there don't want to sell. Anyone here, secretly, I don't want to sell people. I want people to see my value and I will enroll people. And those students will enroll themselves. Anyone here want to stop selling and start enrolling? Type enroll in the comment section, guys. If you learn this stuff, you never have to do a single one-to-one call or a webinar again in your life. If you learn this, you will enroll people and your students will enroll themselves. It's magical. Anyone here don't want any pain of follow-ups or pain of selling, right? It will make your selling painless. And I discovered this by accident because I was so intolerant towards webinars. I really wanted to find out a way. Oh God, how can I do this? How can I do this change? How can I really make people to buy my programs? This is what magical happened. I created this story triangle WhatsApp class for 5 days. Just like the one I'm doing it right now, right? On my very first month, I earned 10 lakhs in revenue. In my very first month, I had 10 lakhs in revenue and I went up to 45 lakhs in revenue. 45 lakhs in a single month. So just with a single product. So here, so you can see, right, I am getting all these earnings. It was very consistent in the beginning. And anyone here has a dead list? Anyone here has a dead list where you got leads from for your webinars and they never bought anything from you? Type dead in the comment section if you have a list where there are so many leads sitting there, not doing anything. They are into a coffin. They are dead. Anyone here has a dead list? Now on Thursday, with the template I'm going to give you, you can revive. Revive all those dead people. Anyone here who want to bring back the dead? Bring back the dead and make them alive. Type alive in the comment section because on Thursday I'm going to do this template and this template will help you to get all those dead people up and it will they will come back. Not as zombies but as prospects and customers. All right. So here here again Sandeep Adera. Anyone here don't are very good speakers but not that good writers here? Any coach here is a very good speaker, but not a very good writer. Accept that. Type me in the comment section. If you are a very good speaker, anyone here don't want to write a word, but you want to build a binge-worthy brand. Your brand has to be binge-worthy by actually overcoming your shyness and creating social media videos in plus 5 days. Anyone here don't want to write a single word again in your life and want to build a binge-worthy brand by just using Facebook Lives. You learn all the technology, you will lose your shyness, and you will create your 5 social media videos in just 5 days. See, this is the offer he created. I'll be telling you about the offer on Friday, but he sold this offer and he made 40,000 rupees in revenue in his very first week. It's all about the offer. If you want to learn how to create a Facebook like this, I'll be teaching you on Friday. But are you guys able to see the thing, right? It is all about creating an ad that connects. Do you think with practice, you will be able to get an ad like this? With practice, you will be able to get an ad like this. Yes. So here, another ad. Public speaking mastery for kids. 5-day public speaking mastery for kids. 45 lakhs in 40,000 rupees in revenue in the front end. They were selling this at rupees 99, and you can see in the very first week, they were the one who disturbed the whole market. Have you guys seen these two people, okay, who has done this public speaking master, Dr. Sharmila, okay? She has been running these ads for kids, okay? And she has, right now, she has 10,000 plus people, guys, okay? 10,000 plus people in her community, okay, who has purchased this class, okay? Continuously, yes, every single week they does it, okay? And they are right now have 10,000 plus people in her community. And she was trying to sell parenting before, okay? Nobody was buying parenting. Any parenting coach here, okay? Okay, I convince parents of buying my parenting program, but they're not convinced. Instead of selling parenting, she sold this, and the back end now she is selling parenting and selling. Okay, it is all about giving people what they want and then tell them what they need. Okay, basically give them the cake, okay, then tell them the carrot. Okay? For example, parenting is the carrot. Okay, don't give them the carrot on the front end. Okay, sell them the cake and then tell them they need the carrot. Okay, in marketing, people make the mistake. They try to sell the carrot. Okay, please get parenting. Okay, you will be getting good parenting skills from me. Okay, people not. Okay, sell what they want. Okay, and then tell them what they need. Okay, that is the reverse they did, and that's the magic. So what is the largest public speaking training in the whole world? What do you think is the largest public speaking training in the whole world? Okay, Ajay says epic. Praveen Vadalkar says someone. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Toastmasters Club. Okay. Okay. Toastmasters is the answer, guys. Okay. Toastmasters is the answer. Okay. The largest public speaking training in the whole world is Toastmasters. Okay. Why do you think they are the world's best or the world's largest? Okay. Why do you think they are part of this? Okay. Because they are a club. Okay. They are a club. They are a community. Okay. It is not a product. It's not a personal brand. It is not a company brand. Okay. It's a club. Anyone here want to be part of this binge marketing club, okay, where you can be a member forever and you can enjoy super benefits, okay, and for the rest of your life you will learn more about this marketing stuff. Anyone here want to be a part of this binge marketing club where you will learn how to launch your course and scale your course with simple techniques, okay, where you will keep on doing this. See how easy it is for me to sell. Okay, everyone wants to be part of a club, but nobody wants to buy a program or a course or a launch. Okay? So I borrowed that Toastmaster thing, okay? And what I did was I created a club. Okay, I created what I call as a story triangle club. Every single day in my 5-day WhatsApp class, people win. When you go into the Toastmasters meeting, do you guys have seen they distribute these awards every single day when you walk into this? Have you guys seen that? Okay. Do you want to get awards? Do you want to get badges like this? Okay. I'm going to tell you, right? From day after tomorrow, you're going to get this. Okay. You're going to do this. So every single day they win these badges. Anyone here want your name to be in this badge and not this Vivekananda's name? Anyone here want your name and win all these badges and awards? Okay. Next 4 days, you're going to do that. Okay. And what I did was I created this club-like membership experience. Okay. I created an experience. Okay. Instead of a webinar, right? Webinar is the passive one. Okay. Here it is a active one because every single day, okay, in my WhatsApp class, okay, do you want to know why I'm calling it as a WhatsApp class? Okay, why not say Zoom class or why not something else? Why? Anyone here is puzzled? Okay. Why is this person calling this as a WhatsApp class? Okay. It's puzzled with that. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, so WhatsApp class. Okay, WhatsApp is where the classroom is. Okay. For example, you are part of Telegram. Okay. Let me tell you why I'm not using WhatsApp, because we are using WhatsApp, but people are spamming. Okay. Most people who come into my program are marketers. They start to spam others. Okay. And they wanted, and many people complain. And that is why we wanted to switch to Telegram. Okay. Type don't want spam in the comment section. Okay. Because that is why we are not doing it in WhatsApp, because we used WhatsApp, and because everyone inside are marketers and very desperate, right? They started to spam others. Okay? That's the reason we are doing it in Telegram. And the reason we call it as a WhatsApp class. Is because it's a classroom. Okay? It's an active classroom. Okay? Every single day, we'll be opening the group for interactions. Okay? We'll be grouping them. Okay? Every single day from 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m., we'll be opening the Telegram group for you to interact among yourselves and create peer-to-peer support. Anyone here want to support your peers here, support your team members here, and you want to help them in their own statements, in their own offers? Anyone here want to do that? Okay, every single day from 5:30 to 6 p.m. I'll be like opening the group, and for some of you guys, I'll be reviewing your programs. I'll be reviewing your offers. I'll be reviewing your statements. Now with the WhatsApp class, okay, you are having a classroom where there is the students, where there is the mentor, and everyone is working with each other. It's a two-way interaction. It's a two-way interaction, whereas a webinar is a passive interaction, right? Webinar is usually like it's one-way traffic, right? Here in a WhatsApp class, we have a class. We have a classroom in WhatsApp. We have the students, we have the mentor, and your Zoom is your whiteboard. Your Zoom is your whiteboard. Okay, the Zoom is nothing but a whiteboard. Okay, the actual interactions happens on the WhatsApp group. Okay, and actual reviews, the lovely help each other. All these things happen in the WhatsApp class. Okay, anyone here don't want to do a passive courses anymore, and you want to do active classes? Type AC in the comment section if you understand that your WhatsApp class is an active one. It's an active class. Okay, it's not a passive one. And why people actually upgrade from here to the next level is because it's such an active one. They're getting an outcome. Okay? They're seeing that this is a club which can help them to achieve all their goals. And then they achieve, and then they go ahead and purchase the main online course. And I have a membership for that. Okay, I call it as the ASAP club member. They are upgrading from one level to the next. That's it. And we are getting 20 to 40% conversions. We are getting 20 to 40% conversions every single week because of this. If you get 5% conversion on webinar, it's a very high conversion. But we are able to get this because people spend so much time and energy with us. We are able to do this consistently, and this kind of become a sales machine for them. Okay. For me and my client side, people are able to scale to 1 crore in 140 days. Okay? Do you want me to bring a person on Friday for scale to 1 crore in revenue with his Facebook ads in 140 days without using any landing pages, emails, or website? Okay? This is the kind of conversion he was experiencing with this model. Okay? 1 CR in revenue in 140 days. Okay? That is what he was able to accomplish. So we're going to do those, okay, and we're able to scale predictably. Every single week, we are able to scale predictably. And I call this as binge marketing. Okay. Do you want to know again, why is this person calling it as binge? Okay. I know marketing, but what is this binge? Okay. I cannot make sense of this at all. Okay. You don't have to create Ankit. Okay. Type binge in the comment section if you want me to bring it on. Okay. What is this binge? Okay. I'm not able to tolerate my head. Okay. I'm in so much pain. Please explain what is this binge. Okay. All right. Let me explain. Okay. Binge is a period of excessive indulgence in activity. Have you guys played this PUBG game? PUBG game where you play one game, then you win, okay, or lose, okay, then you play another. Okay. Have you guys seen Game of Thrones? Have you guys seen Game of Thrones, right? Where there is this first episode in which the two lovers push that boy from the tower, okay, and the boy actually falls down. And then you're not able to find out who is that, okay, whether boy will survive or not, right? Then you watch the next episode, okay, and then you keep on watching. Then you keep on watching till the end. Have you guys binge watched any TV shows like that? Friends or any TV shows like that? Type binge in the comment section, right? So you just watch one more episode, right? Have you guys taken this Lay's chips, okay, and put one chips inside your mouth? It is so tasty, okay, and you're not able to control yourself, and you actually like finish the whole packet of Lay's. Okay, it is what is called, okay, binge is a period of excessive indulgence in an activity. Anyone here want to get the power of Lay's here? What is the tagline of Lay's? What is the tagline of Lay's? Anyone here remembers the advertisements? What is the very famous tagline of no one can eat just one, right? Okay, the reason here it works is because, okay, so this is, okay, so binge marketing is making your prospect indulge with your content for 7 hours before you make an offer to online course. Okay, not just for 7 hours but also to get an outcome. Okay, anyone here want to wake up at 5 a.m? Anyone here want to wake up at 5 a.m? Now if I make you wake up at 5 a.m, will you be interested in learning the 3 habits of millionaires they do in the morning? Okay, do you want to know the 3 habits millionaires do in their morning, called the Millionaire Morning Program? Okay, so what is happening here? Okay, anybody here want to launch your book in 5 days? Anybody here want to launch a book in 5 days? And if I help you to launch your book in 5 days, will you actually take my next level program where I teach you how to market your book to the Amazon top 10? Will you get that program from me as well? Okay, see, people, when they get that first outcome, it's like that first chip. Okay, when they put that inside their mouth, okay, oh, see, this is so good. Okay, I'm going to launch my program. Okay, it tastes so good. Now they automatically want your second outcome, the third outcome, and fourth outcome, fifth outcome, etc., etc. Toastmasters Club is all about their outcomes. Okay, speaking levels, leadership levels, etc., etc., right? So people always want the second tasty outcome. No one can get just one outcome. That's the tagline of binge marketing. Okay? It's called no one can just get one outcome. Okay, they want to keep on getting outcomes from you. So your outcome equals income. Okay, type this, guys. It's a very important thing, right? So it is not your program. It is not about, okay, your outcome equals your income. Okay, type outcome equal to, yes, I am a Toastmasters trainer. Okay, type outcome equal to income if you're getting this. Okay, it is not about your program. Okay, people don't want your boring NLP program. Okay, people want an outcome. Okay, your outcome equals to your income. And do you guys agree this is a win-win-win? Okay, it's a win for the prospect because the prospect is getting an outcome, a tasty outcome. It's a win for the seller because he's not asking the prospect for more money before he gets him an outcome. And it's a win for the course creators because people are not even watching the videos. Now, because of this, he is making people to get an outcome even, not just consume. Okay, they become someone. They're not consumers here. They are becoming someone by creating an outcome. Do you guys agree after my explanation that this is a win-win-win? Type www. After you listen to this, right, you feel this is the win-win-win, the true win-win-win. Okay. Do you want me to give you the math? Do you want me to give you the math involved? Okay. Where you can, because marketing is not just about the creativity. It is also about the math. Anyone here want me to split down how you exactly you can do 10 lakhs per month? Okay. All right. Okay. So 10 lakhs per month, split it into 4 weeks. That is 2.5 lakhs per week. Okay, you just get 200 people for your, say, 500 rupees program. Okay, so today I think we got 150 people this week. Okay, and out of 200 people, okay, if 30 people convert your 5,000 wala program, okay, you're getting 1 lakh plus 1.5 lakhs. You are making 2.5 lakhs in revenue. Okay, this is one model. Do you want to bring the next model? Okay, you can get 500 people at rupees 99. Out of 500 people, you can convert 100 people at 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, whatever, right? Ankit is doing this model. Okay, Ankit, whom has made 10 crore, 1 crore in revenue on 40 days, right? He is implementing this model and he's getting 1,000 people into his program every single week, and he is getting say like 300 to 400 people to sign up for his next level program. Okay, that is how he is able to scale to 1 crore in revenue. Okay. But this is not easy. Okay. It is simple but not easy. What we are seeing here is simple but not easy. Okay. Let me ask you guys. Okay, what is the fastest way to learn swimming and master swimming when you have not done any swimming in your life? Okay, what is the fastest way to master swimming? Jump in the pool, practice. Okay. Get into the water, start it. Okay. So I'm asking you guys, okay, what is the equivalent of water when it comes to marketing? He teaches procrastination, how to kill procrastination, Shivani. Okay? What is the equivalent of water when it comes to marketing? Okay? So you have to like do this. Okay, yeah. Okay. Nisha has got it. Okay. Experiment, social media. Okay. Nisha has got it, guys. Still don't make the wrong answer. Okay. Nisha has got it. Okay. What is the answer? Nisha has got the answer. Okay. Okay. It is words. Okay. So the water of marketing is words. Okay. Do you want me to reveal the secret of how I master marketing? Do you want me to reveal the secret of how I master? Okay, I mastered marketing so fast. Okay, do you want to know how? Okay, I teach this to my students, right? Okay, do you want me to reveal how I master marketing? Because I come from a tier 2 city, no business background, no marketing background, right? So I have mastered marketing. Okay, do you want to reveal? Okay, all right. Okay, this is my secret. Okay, okay. So this are you able to see this, guys? Okay, it's called this is from mentor Dan Kennedy. It's called Magnetic Marketing Toolkit. Okay? Magnetic Marketing Toolkit. So here, okay, here, you can see here. Okay, it is split. Okay? It says okay, toolkit 6th edition. Okay, and you can see that all the B2B. Okay, all these are templates. Okay. So what he asked me to do is right how to use your flex plan to give yourself the best Christmas gift ever. Okay, what I have to do is okay. I have to hand copy. Okay, I have to put my pen. Okay, I have to put my pen to my paper. Okay? I have to put my okay. I have to take my pen. Okay, I have to open my notebook. Okay, and I have to write. Okay, I have to hand copy. Okay, I have to hand copy these ads every single day, and I have to do this for 90 days. Okay, do you know what happened to me? Okay, after 90 days of hand copying these ads, do you want to know what happened to me? Okay? I was able to see patterns. Okay. So when you are swimming, right, you will be seeing patterns. When you will push into the water, right, you swim, stroke, and etc. etc. You are able to see the patterns in which your legs and hands and everything has to move so that you can do it. Okay. I was able to see the patterns which worked already. So the equivalent of water when it comes to marketing is words. And I tell this to people, okay, let me ask you, what will happen to you, okay, if you hand copy the 90 best ads in your industry every single day? You're not creating anything, okay? You're just copying 90 ads in your industry every single day. You're not creating anything new. What do you think will happen to you if you hand copy 90 ads in your industry every single day? You don't worry about anything, okay? Don't worry about your income, okay? You just hand copy 90 days. What will happen? I want you to give the answer. What will happen to you if you will hand copy 90? You will become the best. I am revealing the secret. Yeah, 1 ad per day. Okay, 1 ad per day. Brain will pick up the word patterns. We will create the 91st ad. Okay. Okay. Can you all say congrats to Ramesh? Okay. He will create the 91st world's best ad. Okay. But okay, it's amazing, Ramesh. Okay. You will write the 91st best ad. All right, amazing. All right. So this is what it takes. Okay. I tell this to people, but what happens is right, only 5% actually do it. Okay. Will you guys be part of the 5% or you will be part of 98%? Okay. Will you guys do this? You will get the best ads in your industry and do this. Type 5% in the comment section if you are going to do this. Okay. So somebody says, okay, this person is going to sell me some templates at the end. Okay, this person is going to do something. Okay, that is why he is telling all this stuff, right? He's telling people that okay, please go through a 5-day WhatsApp class, and at the end he is going to sell me something. Okay, anyone here is feeling already that okay, this person doing all these stuff because his sole aim is to only sell his own program at the end of the. Anyone here is already feeling that? Okay, type feel in the comment section. You're already feeling okay. This person is doing all this stuff because he's going to sell me something at the end. Sell level 2 and level 5. Okay, level 2 and day 5. Okay, this person is doing all this stuff because his only aim is that. Okay, all right. Okay, let me ask you guys. Okay, do you want to learn how to launch your own WhatsApp class and how to sell on your 5th day? Do you want to learn that or not? Type learn in the comment section if you want to learn how to do my WhatsApp class and how to do my 2nd level program on 5th day. Okay. Now, okay, I am the creator of binge marketing. Okay, I am the creator of binge marketing. I am creator of this whole system. Okay, I am going to get you an outcome. I'm going to get you an outcome. On the fourth day, you're going to launch your course without recording videos, without any testimonials, without any technology, without anything, spending anything marketing. I'm going to help you to launch your program, and I'm going to get you your first insurance. Now I don't have any pressure. On my fifth day, I don't have any pressure to sell to you. So you want to sell a lot of people your level 2, but you don't want anyone to do that. Okay, so many coaches, right? They want to learn marketing, they want to learn how to sell, but they don't want to be marketed to. They don't want to be sold to. That is not how you actually match up the person whom you want to become. Okay, so guys, let us leave that at that. Okay, let us leave it at that. Okay, so anyone here want me to give you the most powerful mind, because the problem is with the mindset. Anyone here want me to give you the most powerful mindset exercise that I learned from my mentor, Dan Kennedy, okay, which has helped me, and I'm going to do this from today. Okay, I learned this from Dan Kennedy, and that is what helped me in doing this business, right? Everything I built from a very small city called Coimbatore because of this. Do you want me to do this? Okay, because I'm going to tell you, if you follow this, there is no way that you can't succeed. Okay, let me give a prelude to it, right? Anyone here have lost weight? Okay, lost weight. You lost your weights 5 kgs, 10 kgs. You have lost your weight. Okay, so that is a particular phase in a person's life. Okay, where they are self motivated. They will do everything automatically, and they will lose weight. What is that phase in that person's life? There is a particular phase in a person's life where you don't have to push them. Okay, they also will push. They'll go to the gym. They will go to all this stuff. There is a particular phase in life when they do it. When is that phase? Okay, no. When is that phase? Okay, what is that stage of life called? Okay, what is that stage of life in which they will automatically lose weight? You will automatically do all the exercise equipment, etc. Yeah, Saurin has got, okay, just before their marriage. Okay, you can see, anyone here seen girls, right? They lose so much weight on their marriage. Okay, so you get, hey, how did you become so lean? Have you asked this question to people? Okay, how did you become so lean, right? Why do you think people who are not able to lose weight for so many years, so many systems, so many technologies, but why are they not able to do that? And why are they losing their weight before their marriage? Okay, goal. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, they were able to visualize. Okay, that was the first time they were able to visualize their goal. For the first time, they were able to step into the energy of their goal. For example, you get married on February 14th. Okay, do you think you will operate with the energy of the married person today or on February 14th? Okay, you will start operating in your energy of your marriage day from today onwards. Correct? Okay, you will start operating, you will step into the energy of the person who is going to get married, who is getting on a stage with so many people. Okay, you're getting into the energy of the person whom you want to become today, not tomorrow or day after. Do you want me to give the secret of stepping into the energy of the person whom you want to become today, this moment? Are you guys able to see how powerful this is? Okay, if you're able to step into the energy of the person whom you want to become today at this moment, do you think it will be automatic in 100 days? Okay, I'm going to give you the power now. Okay, do you want the power? But it is a very hard exercise I'm going to give. Right? Type hard. Okay, because I'm going to give you a very hard exercise which you have to do for 5 days with me. Okay, 5 days. I continue, but 5 days I want to do this every single day. All right. Okay, so I'm going to give you this statement. So can you give them the Facebook group link, Girija? Harsha. All right, I'm going to tell you the exercise. Very hard. Not it will be easy, I bet. Okay, I will. All right. Okay. So I'm going to like give you the okay. So the key here is to create a statement. Okay. Create a statement which I'm going to give you right now. Okay, so I have got the link. Okay, so I'm going to give this link to you guys, and this is the Facebook group. Okay, you have to submit an assignment in this Facebook group, and the statement goes like this. Okay, the Facebook group link I will be giving it to you. So please join this group if you are not already joined it. Here. Okay. So this is season 13. Okay, we have been doing this for 12. Okay, 12 episodes we have been doing this. 8,000 plus people have joined this, guys. Okay, so here. Here, okay, this is the class. Okay, so you can see this, right? You can download the schedule from here and keep it in your mobile, so don't miss this. Okay? And here, okay, this is the statement. Okay, I am changing the lives of 100 students every single week. Okay, with my WhatsApp class on launching online courses. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to take this. I want you to I'm changing the lives of 100 students every single week with my WhatsApp class on launching online courses, right? You have to create your own version and you have to post it here. Okay. For example, I will just tell you, okay, I am changing the lives on killing procrastination. Okay. I want you to change. Okay. I want to change the last 2 words alone. Okay. Okay. On last 3 words. Okay. For example, I'm changing the lives of 100 students every single week with my WhatsApp class on killing procrastination. Okay, and the task is simple. Okay, can you just change this to yours? Okay, can you just change this to yours and type this in the comment section? And every single day you're going to type. Okay, you're going to type this. Okay, you're going to type this in this particular thing. Okay, so here. Okay, please change this to okay. Don't change anything else. Okay, only change the last 2 or 3 words, okay, based on yours. Okay. I'm going to type this here. Okay. I'm type this here, and I'm going to type. Okay. I'm also going to do this hand copy. Okay. For example, what I'm going to do is, okay, you're going to open a, okay, you're going to open something like this, okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to write this for 21 times. Okay, you're going to write this for 21 times. Okay. You're going to write the same statement. You're going to put your pen to paper and you're going to repeat this statement for 21 times. So what do you think will happen to you when you repeat this for 21 times? Every single day for the next 5 days, when you do this, what is it going to happen? Okay? I'm not telling you will make 1 crore in revenue, etc. etc. Okay? I'm just telling you that I'm changing the lives of 100 students every single week with my WhatsApp class on housing society management. Okay, so the moment you are creating this, right, then you will everything will fall into place. Okay, I will tell you how exactly this happens. Right, when you start writing, okay, when you start writing, what happens is, right, you are doing affirmations. Okay, you are doing what I call as affirmations. These affirmations, okay, these affirmations. The moment you repeat this again and again, and when you write, right, you visualize what will happen to your life when you get 100 students in your WhatsApp class. Okay? What will happen to your life? Please type. Okay? What will happen in your life if you get 100 students every single week in your WhatsApp class? What is that you can buy for your family? What is that you can create for yourself? Okay? What is that you can buy for yourself? What is that you can give for charity? Okay? I want you to visualize that. Okay? When you're writing, you have to visualize what you can do with the money you can make. And then those visualizations, right, what will happen, right, it will make you to believe that it is possible. Okay, you can make it believe it is possible, and once you believe that it is possible, you will get into what I call as vibrations. Okay, those vibrations will go into the super conscious, and you will get the right books, the right mentors, the right support. Everything will fall into place. Because you are now operating from a person whom you want to become. Are you guys getting this power? Okay, type power in the comment section. This is the most powerful exercise I've found out, guys. Okay? If you're able to do this, okay, for the next 5 days, believe me, okay, you can do this for so many days, but will you guys commit to this for 5 days? Because I am doing something. Okay? I am doing something, okay, which will hold you accountable. Okay? I want, okay, every single day, there are three things, okay? Action, repetition, and reporting. This is not a course, okay? It's a command level training. Anyone here want to get into a command level training? Type command in the comment section if you want to get into a command level training here and don't want to just get into, okay, this course was good. Okay? He taught me very well, but I didn't know anything. Okay? So here I will tell you, okay, what is that you need to do, okay, here. Every single day, my team will hold you accountable. Okay, you can watch this replay again. Okay, we don't have time much. Okay, but I will tell you. Okay, so you can open this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold you accountable, but for that you need to be committed, right? Okay, anyone here ready for commitment? Okay. Action, reporting, and action, repetition, report. I will tell you. Okay? I want you to click on this, guys. Okay, I've got this. Okay, and okay, I want to type this. Okay, command level accountability confirmation. Okay, because if you are not committed, I cannot hold you accountable. Okay, have you attended binge bound session before? No, I haven't. Okay, next. Very much possibly excited. Okay. Commit 90 minutes for watching our everyday sessions and 30 minutes for completing assignments. Next. Okay. You are expected to update the team every day about 3 p.m. Every day before 3 p.m. Okay, about your previous day's tasks. Okay, type 3 p.m. if you understand. Okay, every day I'm going to give you a task. Okay, and you have to complete it, and you have to also do repetition, which is this task. Okay, you are doing, okay, and you're going to upload the photograph. Okay. You're going to upload the photograph here. Okay, you're going to take the photograph of your repetition. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to, okay, I will just finish this, then you can type this, guys. Okay, yes, I am game. Then click on next. Just between you and me, what is the full name of the person you hate the most? No, it cannot be you, your spouse, or your family members or friends. Okay, you can just type say BJP, okay? Or you can even type Gopal Krishnan if you hate me. Okay, every time you miss out on performing a task for no valid reason, okay, you have to report. Okay, no matter how hard it gets, right? Okay, no matter, okay, there is no excuse for reporting. Okay, until a serious health excuse, right? You cannot. Okay, yes, I understand. Accept. Click on next. What's your full name? Okay, please fill this form, guys. Okay, and okay, and this is the key here. To break my inertia, understand I have to launch my course with the template Gopal provides me on the 4th day, even if I don't feel I am ready. Yes, I will launch. Okay? I am ready and excited to go through the BM Commando Bootcamp every day for the next 5 days in order to launch my online course and get my first 10 WhatsApp class sales. I commit myself full to whatever task that is given to me to achieve this goal. Yes, and I can commit, right? Then you click on submit. Okay. Then once you do this, you will be able to get this link, which is a special group only for people who are committed. And here on this group, okay, on this is the group, right? Okay. So I think this is a wrong group link. Okay? So you have to go to the group and you should be able to get this. Okay. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to submit, okay, in your group, right? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, you have to come and submit in your group, which says, okay, tomorrow, okay, at 5:30 p.m. Okay, before 3 p.m. right? You have to come and okay, tomorrow morning we'll be opening the group. Okay, so here you have to come for this group. Okay, and you type here. Okay, tomorrow morning we'll be opening the group. Okay, it says Commando Gopal. Okay, Commando Gopal reporting. It's okay. Day 1 out of 5 action complete. Okay. And day 1 out of 5 repetition complete. Okay. Today's task is this. Okay. Today's task is this. Okay. Every single day on the corresponding Facebook group post. Okay. I want you to finish that particular task action, and I also want you to like hand copy write. Okay. Write your vision statement, and I want to take a photograph and submit. Okay. Type photo in the comment section if you understand that it is our taking a photograph. Okay. Okay. Take a photograph and submit, right, on this particular group. Okay, on this particular group which you are seeing here, right? So take a photograph. Okay, day 1 task. Okay, day 2 task. Okay, so I will tell you. Okay, so below this, right, below this particular statement, also upload your photo. For example, what you do is you actually type. Okay, you type. Okay, you actually write your vision statement for 21 times. Okay, you type your vision statement for 21 times. Okay. And you can submit the photo in this particular Facebook group. Okay, you have to submit that photo in the Facebook group. Okay, you have to write for 21 days. Take your camera. Okay, take your phone camera and just take a photograph of your 21 repetitions, and then you paste it here. Okay, you have to attach. Okay, every single day on this thread we are giving you, there are 2 actions. Okay, one is action, one is repetition. Okay, 5 days is what I asked, but if you do it for 21 days, I'm very happy, Shivangani. Okay, for the next 5 days, I'm going to hold you accountable. Okay, if you do this for 90 days, what will happen to you? If you do this for 90 days, what will happen to you guys? Okay, you will automatically like get everything you need for doing this. All right. Okay, so make sure they do it. Okay, full transformation. Okay, I'm not forcing you to do. Okay, but your brain will change. Right, it will automatically change. Okay? So here. Any questions you have. Okay, so every single day there is action, every single is repetition, and every single is reporting. Type ARR in the comment section if you understand this, guys. Okay, this Facebook group is for okay, I'm giving you this group now. Wait a moment. Okay, type ARR. Okay, it's a little confusing, right? Whenever you're creating something, it has to be confusing, right? Okay, and then it has gone through pregnancy. Okay, so when you're creating something new in this world, right? Okay, do you know how much confusion you have to go through? How much chaos, how much pain you have to go through? Okay? You're creating something new, guys, this week. You have to go through confusion, you have to go through pain, you have to go through chaos, you have to go through a lot of pain. Okay, I will actually make you confused more. Okay, I will make you feel more painful. Okay, ready for more pain, more confusion, more chaos, guys. There is no creation. Okay, there is no creation in the whole world possible without you experiencing pain. Okay, so type pain in the comment section if you are going to have pain. Okay. Okay, yes, it will repeat in the group. Okay, ready for a lot of pain. Okay, why is that you are so not wanting pain? Okay, okay, you will be getting a lot of pain, lot of confusion, lot of creation. Okay, yeah, but that is what it is. All right, all right. Okay, okay. Do you guys want to go through this pain so that you can achieve painless selling? Okay, if you master this, right, your selling will be painless. Okay, on your 5th day of your program, right, people will just buy from your program. Okay, nobody has. Anybody here want inspiration? Okay? Inspiration for you. Okay, so see this. Have you guys seen this method or testimonial from this person? Okay? So here, have you guys seen this Sheetal's testimonial? Okay, do you guys want to reach here? Okay, she just did a health warrior program. Okay, she did a 5-day health warrior program, and she is getting so many clients organically. She's not even spending on ads. Okay, every week her current customers, right? They actually bring in the customers for her. Type viral because your WhatsApp class is a product. It can go viral. A webinar cannot never go viral, but your WhatsApp class can go viral. Okay, no one-to-one strategizations, no webinars, nothing. Eh? If you are master this, right? If you are good at what you do, your customers alone will spread the word for your WhatsApp class, and they will fill the class for you. No need, Neha. Okay, you can do the individual as well. Okay, but you need to be serious. Are you guys serious about transformation? Okay, do you want to treat this as a one another class, or you really want to transform the next 5 days? Okay, please be serious. Come to all these class live. Okay, if you miss, okay, I don't know what is going to happen, because these kind of mindset shift. Are you guys able to see? when you are in this live class, you are getting mindset shifts. Okay, are you able to see? I think I gave 7-8 shifts today. These 7-8 shifts you will never get when you're not live. Okay, you will never get those shifts, right? Okay, you will. That is why this is so important for you to understand live. Okay, you get that mindset shifts are priceless. Okay, so I can give the strategy today. Okay, but you won't succeed. All right. With that said, okay, thanks for your time, guys. Okay, ready for this? Okay, tomorrow. Okay, I want this commitment. Okay, from everyone. 116, right? Okay, I want you guys to commit to this first. Okay, commit to this first. Okay, I want 100 people to commit to this. Okay? I want 100 people to come to this, and I want to see a 90% completion rate. Okay. When you do that, I'm going to unlock an award. But as a team, you have to make sure that, okay, I first have to commit. Okay, commit to this particular form. Okay, I will repeat this form again. Okay, please commit to this form. Okay, and I want every one of you here to work towards a group. Okay, okay, to group and to do this. Okay. So like click this guy. Okay, yeah. So can you click this link? Okay. So please click on this link and fill up the form, because that's the only way we can make sure that you guys can be held accountable. Okay. So and because if you don't commit, right, we won't hold you accountable. Okay. In our company policy, we will never hold anyone accountable. Okay, but they have to commit it. And tomorrow my commander will contact you. If you don't finish before 3 p.m., my team will come and contact you on WhatsApp. Okay, and ask you to pay the fine. Okay, you need to pay the price. Okay, because success is very hard. Okay, will you pay the price tomorrow by doing the action instead of paying the fine? Okay? Type pay in the comment section, and I will finish for today. Thanks for your time. We'll meet again tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay. So you need to pay the price. Okay, success is a very costly affair. Okay, you need to pay the price. So type pay, and I will finish it off today. Bye bye.